Welcome to Research Hub. Crafting a literature review can pose a difficulty for both researchers and students. It demands a thorough grasp of the current research in a specific area. Nevertheless, with the emergence of sophisticated language models such as ChatGPT, the process has become easier and more effective. In this video, we will explore how you can leverage ChatGPT to write a compelling literature review that is both informative. Step 1. Defining your research objective. Before diving into the literature review process, it is crucial to define your research objective. Articulate your topic, research question, or hypothesis that you want to address through the literature review. This will help you stay focused and guide your search for relevant sources. Step 2. Identifying keywords and search terms. To effectively use ChatGPT to assist in your literature review, you need to identify relevant keywords and search terms related to your research topic. Narrow down your search and collect relevant information with the help of these key terms. Utilize resources such as Google Keyword Planner or similar tools for keyword research to identify commonly utilized terms in your industry. Step 3. Familiarizing yourself with ChatGPT. Before engaging with ChatGPT, it is essential to understand its capabilities and limitations. Familiarize yourself with the prompts and commands that work best with the model. Remember that ChatGPT has been trained on a large amount of data, allowing it to offer useful insights and suggestions. However, it's crucial to critically assess and validate the information it produces. Step 4. Generating an initial literature review outline. Start by creating an outline for your literature review. Outline the main sections, such as the introduction, methodology, results, discussion, and conclusion. In each category, make note of the main ideas or subtopics you plan to address. This will assist you in arranging your thoughts and planning your review in a coherent manner. Step 5. Engaging with ChatGPT for research assistance. Once you have your outline ready, engage with ChatGPT for research assistance. Start with presenting a prompt that is specific and brief, indicating the subject, background, and any particular inquiries you may have. For instance, what are the latest developments in your area of research, or could you offer a summary of the primary theories regarding your research question? Step 6. Reviewing and selecting generated content. ChatGPT will generate a response based on your prompt. Carefully review the content generated, considering its relevance, accuracy, and coherence. Extract key points, relevant references, and insightful arguments from the response and incorporate them into your literature review. Be sure to cite and attribute the sources appropriately. Step 7. Ensuring coherence and flow. While ChatGPT can provide valuable content, it's important to ensure the coherence and flow of your literature review. Use your critical thinking skills to connect the generated content with your research objective and existing knowledge. Rearrange, rephrase, and expand upon the generated text to ensure it aligns with the structure and purpose of your review. Step 8. Editing and proofreading. Once you have incorporated the generated content into your literature review, thoroughly edit and proofread the document. Check for grammatical errors, consistency in referencing, and overall clarity. This step is crucial to ensure your literature review is polished and professional. Prompts you can use when engaging with ChatGPT for research assistance in writing a literature review. Okay, first, rate your prompt. Can you provide an overview of the main theories and concepts related to impact of climate change on agriculture? Now wait for a few seconds. ChatGPT start generating your required prompt, and now ChatGPT generated concepts and theories about our research topic. Next, write your prompt. What are the current trends and developments in impact of climate change on agriculture? Then click search. Now wait for few seconds. ChatGPT start generating your required prompt, and now ChatGPT generated answer of your required question. Okay, next, can you suggest some key studies or research papers on impact of climate change on agriculture? Again, click on search. ChatGPT start generating your required prompt, and now ChatGPT generated answer of your required question. Okay, next, what are the main methodologies used in conducting research on impact of climate change on agriculture? Again, click on search. ChatGPT start generating your required prompt, and now ChatGPT generated answer of your required question. So, next, can you provide a critical analysis of the existing literature on impact of climate change on agriculture? Again, click on search. ChatGPT start generating your required prompt, and now ChatGPT generated answer of your required question. So, next, are there any gaps or areas of controversy in the literature on impact of climate change on agriculture that need further exploration? Again, click on search. ChatGPT start generating your required prompt, and now ChatGPT generated answer of your required question. So, next, what are the key findings and conclusions from the most recent studies on impact of climate change on agriculture? Then again, click on search. ChatGPT start generating your required prompt, and now ChatGPT generated answer of your required question. So, next, can you suggest some reputable journals or publications explore for relevant literature on impact of climate change on agriculture? Okay, then again click on search. Chat ChatGPT start generating your required prompt, and now ChatGPT generated answer of your required question. Alright, next, what are the different perspectives or schools of thought in the literature on impact of climate change on agriculture? Okay, then again click on search. ChatGPT start generating your required prompt, and now ChatGPT generated answer of your required question. Alright, next, can you provide a summary of the historical background and evolution of research on the impact of climate change on agriculture? Okay, then again click K on search. ChatGPT start generating your required prompt, and now ChatGPT generated answer of your required question. Remember to provide clear and specific instructions in your prompts to guide ChatGPT in generating relevant and accurate content for your literature review. Using ChatGPT to write a literature review can greatly facilitate the research process. By following a step-by-step approach, researchers can effectively leverage ChatGPT's capabilities to gather insights, generate content, and enhance the quality of their literature review. However, it is important to approach the generated content critically, validate it with reliable sources, and ensure coherence within the review. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel.